We had Little Italy Fest, and it's a lot of uns. Hey Tristan, you can find your white girl. That's not how I like my Vibes Cartel. You know? That's not how I like my Shensia.
That's not how I like my skilly.
That's definitely not skilly. And it did not bang. It did not bang.
But now,
so we went from baggy to skinny.
Back to baggy.
And now the kids are back to baggy.
Even this week.
What next? So what? Skinny jeans is gonna be back in like
another
3 years?
Yeah. It's not totally crushed. It's not totally crushed yet. It's not totally crushed yet. But right now we're in limbo because we're in between the two, or I'm in between the two. Depends how I feel like we could do skinny or baggy.
I mean, in between the two, you're unk.
Okay, so are you. So are you.
Embrace your unk.
Wait.
Embrace your unk. You're not a YN.
I'm not YN, that's natural.
No,
isn't it big bro? Is it unk? It's like 35, I believe. Well, no.
Alright, we're big bro unk.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Well, Frank Sinatra.
Thank you. It is a wonderful world and a beautiful day on College Street. Amazing.
Are you ready to try the jabroni? What do you call them? Jabroni food? Ain't no pro-black food around here, my friend.
There is a Jamaican spot though.
On Italy?
On a cart, yeah.
What is it infused with?
No, it's Jamaican.
I mean, a Jamaican spot.
How do you do? Hi, boobs. Flower. There is a Jamaican. It's further down, but I'll show you.
They have a stand?
You understand? Yeah.
Apparently there's no real Italian place down here.
Down here, real Italian. Probably Piano or Sugo.
Piano is down here?
Piano is
like on this street?
On the street, no.
So
Vivalio, I believe is. I think there's a few.
So the whole Italian fest, and it's just one real Italian place? That's crazy. Bro, they got AI DJ out here. Where's the DJ?
DJ Artificial.
Bro, you can go there and DJ.
Hold on now. Give me some earphones. Hold on there.
This man loves popcorn. He bought like 3 popcorns. It's 3 popcorns. Bomber Ascot! Economy of scales, bro. I didn't know popcorn was that expensive.
You see this?
Bro, you're such a child. Why do you have a popcorn?
Well, can I have popcorn?
As a man?
I bet you. No. Turn off the camera and take some there.
I don't want none. As a man, you're gonna get popcorn.
Camera, sir.
As a man, you're gonna get
popcorn.
As a man, you can't get popcorn at a festival. Like, how you getting popcorn in the festival as a man? Oh, let me try it.
As a man. Yeah.
Not worth it. Not worth it. No, it's not worth it. Why is it sweet?
Behind the scenes, it's supposed to be.
That's crazy. You come to an Italian fest, you're supposed to get like pizza.
Here's pizza. Why? We can't get. Hold on. Man, you can't do nothing. Yeah.
What is it?
It's the bar, but they're playing outside right now.
Oh. What is this?
So wait a second. As a man, you want to try meat on stick?
Prices is. Are you trying to meat on stick? No? We don't do that. As a man. like this anymore. It's like white people are trying to wiggle now. You know what I'm saying?
You're trying to be diverse. Oh my God, I love Kendrick and Drake.
Oh, don't talk too loud about Kendrick. We're in Toronto, you know what I'm saying?
You're right, my fault.
What?
Best fried chicken sandwich in the city, PG Club, right here, bro.
The best?
The best.
Vouch for them?
Hey, listen.
You see, let me look at their menu. Hold on.
Can go on.
Oh, I hear my type. My type of people.
All right.
Hold on.
Let me electric slide over. Hold on.
Hold on. Let's do the, what do you call it?
Electric slide?
Electric slide over.
Hold on. You have to take a picture of me. Yeah.
Hey, this is where we're supposed to be. I feel the Negroids over here. Dr. Umar settings. You get me, bro?
Okay, hold on.
How do we find a Jamaican place in Italy? That's crazy.
You know, the Italians are like the white blacks apparently, right? So it's like, you wanted your pizza, you got your pizza.
Papa John's.
I'm gentrifying the thing.
Oh, my African brother, how do you feel about it?
No, how do you feel about it? I've seen it all. Don't care me. Fuck it up. Don't care me.
Scissors are black. Yeah, this black woman is killing it.
You have to love one time.
As a man, why you always be walking around with stick things on sticks?
Put the camera on you for a second.
No.
Put the
All right,
camera on
it's on me. Camera's on me.
So wait. What's that in the other hand, sir?
My phone.
No. Show us the phone. Which phone? Where? Show us the phone.
I can't, man.
Why not?
It's in my hand. I can't.
Why not, people?
I can't.
Ask the people there.
Yeah.
Why not?
I can't.
Yeah, I'm sure.
As a man, though, that's crazy stuff.
Okay.
That's crazy.
Yep, real crazy, huh? Real crazy. Then they changed it to access, but now it went back to my club.
Oh, went back to my club. I didn't even know that. This is a huge festival. Like, we've been walking for at least, how long? Like 10, 15, 20 minutes?
20, I want to say.
20 minutes. This is a big festival. Here. They have a lot of vendors. You got food truck. Is this Little Italy Fest or Taste of Little Italy? What's it called?
I taste of Little Italy. I guess I taste of what Little Italy has to offer.
Taste of Little Italy is literally a little Italy. Like, it's not a lot of Italy. I'm shocked. That's like going to Taste of Jamaica and not only seeing like
3 Jamaican spots.
3 Jamaican spots. First of all, it's Spanish, so it's Pantinos.
Just stop working.
Espanol.
It's Pantinos, no?
Pantanos? Regardless, it ain't tin. It ain't plantain.
Pantinos.
It might be real.
Authentic.
Look it up here.
Price is not bad. But I don't know. It's Ethiopian. What is this? Gelato. Yo, you gotta support this, bro. It's Ethiopian. You gotta support this, yo.
Maybe for Muslims for $1.50, not crazy.
It's Ethiopian food. So black, right? Yeah, it's family. Yeah. You gotta buy. We gotta get some oil this week. Extra interior $2. I don't wanna.
No, do this some also.
Tips. I would love. Yo, Tips is fire. You ever had Tips? Huh? You ever had Tips?
Oh,
No. It's Stewie.
the injera is what? The sourdough thing, isn't it?
Yes, correct.
I mean, I like that, but yeah, I know everything else. Yeah, I don't like the injera, but I like it.
Got the interior right here.
have to do it here. This is our tips.
Tips. Okay.
This is lentils.
Lentils. Okay.
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas. Okay.
We don't eat rice, but we still have rice
You
here.
have rice? Oh, okay. Mostly do the injury, right?
Cabbage and carrot.
Where's your place located?
Sorry?
Where are you located?
We're the only catering in all the festivals in town.
Yeah,
Like we will be all over Toronto at
Yeah.
the end of October.
yeah,
We have farmers markets like 4 or 5 days a week,
yeah.
and catering in these festivals.
Okay.
You're gonna see Jonathan. You wanna taste something?
The tips? Can I get a sample of the tips?
You like spicy?
Oh, you getting spicy.
Nadie me la quita, pa' aquí, pa' allá, pa' aquí, pa' allá, vamos para donde quiera.
He's a spice guy, not me. You see that? Good? Spicy? I don't do spice, Uncle.
It's a good spice.
It's a good spice? It's not crazy? Okay. Ethiopian? Ethiopian?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. 100%. Okay. Gotta support and try injure
Honestly, it's good with the
the spice and everything, right?
Yeah.
Oh, what did you have it with before?
I had it with the chickpeas.
Yeah.
Yo,
You know what
honestly,
this is?
I think it depends. It depends on where you get it from. Oh, because I remember, I think it depends on where you get it
Oh,
from.
this is blessed.
Yeah, I think.
The only thing you might not like is the sourness of the dough.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, this is nice.
It's almost a requirement that you need to have with it. It's almost a requirement.
Everything is good? You know, I was just
You don't like the sourness of the dough.
these guys, Jake Wilson.
Everybody, he's been with us all weekend.
Maybe because of the. Maybe where I had it, it was a little too sour.
But it's not so, too sour on this one, right?
It's fair. It's fair.
It's like fresh.
It's fresh, correct.
It's like
It's
like
pancake.
the holiday.
Ethiopian pancakes. Ethiopian pancakes.
I didn't say it. I didn't say it.
It's an Ethiopian
I didn't say it.
pancake. Oh my god.
Let them come
I
for
love
you.
it. It's Ethiopian. Oh my god. This is great.
Let them come for you. That's crazy.
So get the conditional pass. Conditional pass.
Now that's a good one. I'm telling you, they don't white like this anymore. Huh? Real? Real kin?
Look like.
You sure it's not AI? It kinda look like AI the point is not AI.
Yeah. Those cameras serious.
Yeah, it's a good camera stuff.
See how we make things happen?
You said I'm a what? I'm a what? I'm a what? I'm good. I'm good for the people.
Your pics are good.
Oh.
Yeah, you've drawn me to a few restaurants.
Okay, okay.
In the 9 Mile. 9 Mile? Yeah.
Oh, that's my piece.
I'm going there.
9 Mile? Yeah. Did you see their new stuffed dumpling?
Stuffed dumpling? Oh,
Like Momo, you know, like momos?
I
So they have curry goat stuffed momos, jerk chicken stuffed momos, and oxtail momos. Yeah,
yeah, I even cater from them, so yeah.
It's good?
Yeah, man, it munch.
Bunch? Alright, see there? Got the plant and all of them something there in there.
What's up, shot? Chicken, jerk, yeah. Naga.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's no
Yeah.
other Caribbean because it's
No other
It's such a
Caribbean.
little Italy, but we got everything.
Hey, there's not a lot of Italy either.
But the area's called Italy.
bro. This guy got the old dance. He got the old dance, bro. Rascal, I tried him, man. I tried him, Overall, this festival was it's like a cool walk. You know, if you don't want to walk through the park, you walk through something like this. The food option sucks. Wait. Actually, it's diverse. I came here for pasta.
Somehow we can end up with Jamaican,
Ethiopian food, Jamaican food, Mexican food, tacos. I came here for Mamma Mia, pasta, Mario.
the gabagoo.
You know,
We came for the gabagoo and left with the what?
Yeah. I came for pasta, salad rasta.
Salamana Sunday. Yo.